Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another in-depth daily technical analysis. Let's get straight into the charts. We're going over Dogelon Mars. Bitcoin is below $38,000 levels, approaching $37,000 levels at the moment, which means we should expect a retracement in Dogelon Mars as well, down 5.75% today. We are seeing some selling pressure as the overall market continues to retrace, but it's a healthy retracement as it has spiked and started showing higher lows in the previous week. So we have broken this 0.5 Fibonacci level, and we look to be seeing that we are seeing some buyers step in. Now we want to see this daily candle close above this 0.5 Fibonacci level right around this 814 level. That's what we want to see us close above today. All right, on this daily candle, if that happens and we have shown that buyers are stepping in right around these 8 levels, pushing the price higher because they don't want it to head back down towards their break-evens. Now, we are pegged to the overall market, so whatever happens on Bitcoin will reflect into this coin. However, once Bitcoin starts showing some nice price action, some support, and starts going parabolic again, then we should see this do so as well. Now, let's look at this trend line we are seeing here. We have seen some selling pressure right along this trend line, all right? So, not necessarily the most bullish sign. However, really what we need to watch for is some right around, let me draw a line for you guys. Right around these areas, if we do decide to retrace, we want to see some pressure, some buyers step in, and then break it out of this resistance. This downward trend resistance, okay? Once we are broken out of this, then it is a much easier step back up to these 11 levels, back up to these 10 levels, all right? But we got to break this downtrend line first. Once we do that, boom, we are heading back up. So that's what we're looking for. We want to see some support within this week. We want to see some support if it continues to drop around these 736 levels before it moves to the upside. So yeah, Crypto Billionaire 69. Catch you guys every single day with updates. I want to check the Crypto Fear and Greed Index real quick to see what we're looking like. Overall sentiment in the markets. We're still in fear. However, we are heading back up to neutrality because people are seeing some support being made after this huge spike here. So right now it's a HODL phase. We don't want to be buying. We don't want to be selling because we could come down to these 7 levels and get a better price. And we could also break through these levels and show confirmation that we will be heading back up to the upside. I'll keep you guys updated. If you want real-time alerts, join the Patreon. Links in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.